Hello, so I just want to show you how to design emails, okay? So, first of all, if you open up, we have to log into this Pro B3 IO, and I pay for this one, so see if you can learn it, and then there's plenty of things you can do. So these are all emails. You can actually create new ones, and you can do like, you can create a new page as well, but I'm not really sure what that would benefit for us, but if you want to have a research, you can have a look at that. Otherwise, I'll be creating a new email now. So, say that I just take this one, brilliant, I'll just take this design, I'll call this design like classroom announcement, and then I'll call it like version 4 or version 5, let's version 4, okay, wonderful. Then I'm going to go Domino Classroom is in town with burgers, very good. And then I'll like adjust the photos. I can insert this photo instead. Very good. We have all the assets, as you can see, so that's wonderful. I guess I shouldn't be using that one. 1 second, just be using this one instead. That looks brilliant. Very good. Auto with no, like that maybe. You can just play around with these as you'd like. Wonderful. And so now that you save it, that's brilliant. What you do now is that you exit it and you export this one. Let me see that I just remember this one. Now, but first of all, like, you need to change this name here. You need to change it to, also here you need to change it to Domino Classroom announcement version 4. Okay, very good. And what you do then, okay, and the only thing you have to do now is actually really easy. It looks a bit complex, but it's not actually. So you export here, you actually just copy the HTML from this one, okay? So then everything will be online. You just copy this code, okay? And then when you write an email, the only thing you have to do now is, if I go back now, I'll compose an email now, okay? So I'll click, let's say, I'll call it test, and then I'll just write a bunch of, let's go 1111. You can write whatever you want. Then you click inspect, okay? And then here, this text here, where you can see the 111, click edit as HTML, and then you just delete these ones. And now I've copied the HTML, the thing already. I did it from, from this page. Okay, I'll copy this, okay? And now here, I just click Command and V, so I paste it in. Now it's actually done. You can close this, and it'll come out as it is here. Wonderful. And now what you have to do here is, in this page here, you can edit everything in here. So edit email, you can add all the links, you can make it look pretty and everything, and all the buttons and everything. Wonderful. And so for this particular video, now that I'm making it, I would like you to make many of these in the future as well, but for now, you can have a look at the emails that I've made. You can maybe copy some or just add your own design or something. We have plenty in Canva. Okay, now, and we've got plenty of designs as well. I'll send you all the images and everything, but you can work with these ones if you'd like to. You see, I've named these by number for my own sake, but you don't have to. This is the classroom announcement. This is the one that I used before. Now, for this email here that I want to send, we now have, as you can see, you can just follow the instructions here, and we want to tell the whole Chinese community about this. Because, well, yeah, you can see in 26 days we're starting these 2 courses, okay? So Qiao and Jian'an. So this is Jian'an, this is Qiao, okay? So we want to tell the world about that. And so this course, you can basically use this, I think. This is just a screenshot that I took, and then I made that Nook as well. You can study all of these things, like this image link is a URL to, is a hyperlink to classroom.dominochinese.com, and then it's like I just put a testimonial there. This is about me, so I guess you can, I don't know, maybe about the teachers, because there'd be 2 teachers. So you can have a think how you'd like to do this. This would be incredible if you could help me do this as well. Yeah, and then this was just a fake user who I added, but I think that's fine. Reserve, there's 14 seats left, reserve. Yeah, so you have to improvise a little bit here, because they are, like you can see as well, there are 2 classrooms, and we have 30 spots in total, okay? So yeah, good luck with that, and please let me know how it goes, and then what you'll do after that, by the way, is I think you can find a list of all the users, and then you can go subscribed users, and then this list will be sent to me, but I can send it to you as well. You can also go to unsubscribed users, and then you can maybe have two different ones. Later on, I would also like you to make, as you can see here, subscribed users. If you want to promote something to unsubscribed users, we can send something out, and you can make an email like this here as well. Okay, I would suggest you work on this for like a long time now, or like a little while at least, where so you can make plenty of designs, because they cost a little bit. It costs like $20 every month, and so it would be nice to just have a lot of content here, and then we can export it out, and then we can use those, so we don't have to come back every month and pay more and more. But yeah, let me know what you think about that. I think that would be really, really useful. And for now, the mission, the thing you need to do work on is to make an email for the Domino Classroom announcement, which you can find about here. Okay, and so you just basically have to copy paste some of the information that you find here and tell it to all of our students. Okay, wonderful. Once you've done that, I can take your design and I'll tell other people as well. Excellent. Thank you very, very much for that. Good job.